Yeah. Hello guys, I'm Sunil. So today we'll speak about all types of exceptions and how to recreate them. Okay. So we'll see one by one. Guys, name some exceptions which occur day to day. Anyone? Harika, Manohar, anyone? Okay, Inka. What else? Cheppandi. What else? Harika, you tell me some exceptions. Harika? Yes, array index out of bounds exception. Inka? File not found exception. Okay, Inka? Yeah, yeah. So, hmm, exceptions and build types. Okay. Yeah, tell me guys. Sure. First one, array index out of bounds exception. Guys, anyone where we can where we'll get this type of exception? Yes, correct. Array index out of bounds exception. Correct. Okay. By the way, this one is runtime exception or you mean it's a runtime exception or you mean unchecked or checked, guys? Anyone? Unchecked. Shravani, checked means they will throw some compilation error. Okay. It won't give any compilation error. Okay. It is an unchecked exception. Am I correct? So let us see how we can recreate this exception. Okay. Okay. So let us see that. Okay. So guys, let me open Core Java perspective. Right. File, new and Java project. Yeah, right. So first we'll create a package. Okay. New package. Something like package one and class. New main class. And I don't want to write main method again. So let me get from directly. Okay. Guys. So the thing is, suppose our array size is 5. Okay. And guys, is this a way to declare an array? Is that clear, right? Suppose you're trying to access an index. See, size 5 means the index are 0 to 4, right, guys? Andana? Harika, are you there? So you cannot access the index 5. So you cannot access index 5, okay, like that, okay. So it will give you array index out of bounds exception, right? Guys, is it creating any compilation error issue? Hello, guys, am I getting any compilation error? No, I'm asking compilation error. See, you cannot see any red mark, right? Yes, it will running it. So I'm trying to say it won't give any compilation error. As I told earlier, unchecked exceptions does not give you any compilation error. Directly at the runtime, okay, they will give you an error, okay? See, array, java.lang.array index out of bounds exception, okay? Guys, this is the most frequently occurred exception, while trying to go with the, you know, competitive coding, no? Most of the times people go out of this bounds actually, okay? So make sure you are going inbound. And if there is something like n is the size of your array, make sure your index will run from 0 to n minus 1. Okay. It is not supposed to extend after n. Okay. Right. Guys, is that clear? Harika, is that clear? Okay. Let us move to the next exception. Null pointer exception. Guys, anyone, when will we get null pointer exception? Manohar, it is not empty, Manohar. Empty is different. Okay. Null is, yes. When your string is holding null value, empty means this one. It won't give you any error. Okay. If you use str.length, it won't give any error. Right? But if your string is pointing towards null, then you're trying to access some method on it, then it will throw you null. Okay. Null pointer exception. Am I correct, Manohar? Okay. Null means it is not pointing to anything. Okay. If you are trying to access some method on this null reference object, then it will give you null pointer exception. Am I correct? See? Sys out. str. Okay. So it will give you null pointer exception. Is that clear? So make sure if your object is pointing null, if your object is holding null value, right? Okay, whenever you're trying to call a method on that null pointer object, then you'll get null pointer exception. Okay, let me run the code and see. Okay, guys, is it creating any compilation error or no? Not. Yeah, so hence you can declare this is a unchecked exception and a runtime exception. Okay, Shravani, is that clear? Okay, thank you. See, null pointer exception cannot invoke string dot length because str is null. Ante kada? Right? Guys, I'll take extra 15 to 15 20 minutes because we started late as usual. Okay. Okay. So we have done with the null pointer exception. Okay. Next, stack overflow error. Guys, any idea? Anyone? Guys, anyone how will create, how we will reproduce this error? How we will reproduce this exception? Anyone? Guys, anyone? Sorry, please come. Because it is calling. Yes, correct. Recursive calls, correct. And by the way, it is a child class of error, guys. Okay. See, I told you for on a high level, throwable contains two childs. Am I correct? Throwable contains two childs. Okay, two childs. Guys, anyone? Manohar, you tell me some childs of this throwable. What are the childs of throwable? Harika, you tell me. Error, right? Exception and error. Am I correct? Correct. So basically, for exception, we have childs like runtime exception, file not found, something, right? Okay, runtime exceptions. For runtime exception, we have childs like arithmetic null pointer exception and so on, right? Am I correct? So your Stack Overflow error is nothing but okay, child of error. Okay, guys, is that fine? It is child of error. Okay, and I told childs of errors cannot be handled. Am I correct? అంతే కదా. Okay, and by the way, childs of error and childs of runtime exceptions are unchecked. Okay, so it is unchecked. Okay, it is a child of error and it is unchecked, right? Okay, so Manohar, you tell me. So there is something called void method 1 and void method 2. You tell me, Manohar, how to create Stack Overflow error in this context. Or anyone, Shravani is also fine. Anyone. I don't want to create an object. That's why I'm going for static. Uh, Shravani here, Manohar, you tell me. That's it. Good. Super. Ante. Method 2, method 1 will call method 2 and method 2 will call method 1. Okay. Ante. Right? That's it. First, at least you should call method 1, right? Ante kada? From here. Ante. See, this will give you Stack Overflow error. Okay. Guys, again, I'm telling the childs of runtime exception and childs of error, they are called unchecked exceptions. Okay. And they won't throw any compilation error. See, I'm not getting any compilation here error here in this context. Am I correct? On Eclipse. See, it keep on going. Okay. It's an infinite loop, by the way. Okay. Guys, is that fine? Stack Overflow error is clear. Okay. uh, okay. And next one. No. Yeah, yeah. Tell me, Shravani. See, method 1 is calling method 2, right? And again, method 2 is again calling method 1. See, this, Just keep on. No, print చేసి keep on printing అనమాట. అర్థమైందా? Let us see that also. Okay. How come you expect for printing it will stop? అంతే, keep on printing అంతే కదా. That's it. Let us check that. See, you can see Shravani. సి నెక్స్ట్ హలో వన్ అని ప్రింట్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది. సి అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఆబ్వియస్లీ స్టాక్ అంటే ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఇన్ ద ర్యామ్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ సమ్ స్పేస్, రైట్? సో ఇట్ కీప్ ఆన్ ఆక్యుపైయింగ్ ద ఈచ్ మెథడ్ కాల్ విల్ టేక్ ఏ ఫ్రేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టాక్. ఓకే. సో ఇట్ కీప్ ఆన్ టేకింగ్ ద ఫ్రేమ్ బై ఫ్రేమ్. ఎట్ సమ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ ద మెమరీ గెట్ ఎగ్జాస్టెడ్. ఓకే, దెన్ యుల్ గెట్ స్టాక్ ఓవర్ ఎర్రర్. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా? అంటే ఆబ్వియస్లీ స్టాక్ విల్ బి అసైన్ విత్ సమ్ capability, okay, for this program. But if it feels you are going beyond that capability, okay, that RAM capacity, then you will get a stack overflow error. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. Now, next one we'll see no class def found error. Anyone? Guys, anyone? It is a child of exception or error. Where? Anyone? See, guys, in the group we have a pic, right? Please see that pic and tell me. Harika, you tell me. It is a child of error or runtime exception or what? Yes, it is a child class of error. Okay. Guys, anyone have idea how to recreate this exception? Hmm. We'll see that. Okay. J JVM will raise that. See, if you're not defining a class and you're trying to create an object, that will be a compilation error, right? Automatically, whenever it is unable to find dot class file. Okay, guys, anyone what is dot class file? Find dot class file. Guys, anyone what is dot class file? Yes. So after wait. Correct. So after compilation, okay, dot Java file will turn to dot class file. Okay, let us see that. Okay, let us see programmatically. Okay, so I want to go with Notepad by this time. Okay, so just because I want to see, okay, at which stage I am getting a dot class file. Okay, that's why. Okay, class. Hello. See, and here file name give hello.java. Okay. So whatever the class name is there, give the same file name. Okay. I think. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Hmm. Wait. 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 I have missed guys. Actually, it should give the same class name, but I gave capital hello. So we'll give this time hello one. Okay. Control S. So we'll so somewhere. Sure. Hello one. Okay. See whatever the main class name is there, give the same file name. Okay. And dot Java. Okay. That's it. Huh. So we'll go to the drive. See hello one. Okay. This is dot Java file only. Okay. So I don't have any dot class file, right? Guys, is that clear? Okay. So let us move to the desktop. Okay. CD desktop. See, this is the no. I'm trying to explain how when dot class. What is that? Class no class def found error will come. Okay. That exception. Okay. Java C. First you need to compile, right? Java C file name hello one. Guys, if you remember in the beginning class, I told you how to compile a class, right? So just give the same command. Okay. Java C file name dot Java. Ante kada? Hey, Java C is not recognized. It's not the Java. In this laptop, this is actually my old laptop I returned. This is some other laptop. Uh, I think there is an issue or what. Mm, okay. Uh, okay. Let us have here only some class. Okay. New class student. Yeah. So my file location is okay. So SRC package one. Yeah. Main class and student, right? Guys, see, I can see only two Java files. Am I correct? Till now, I don't have any what we call dot class files. Yeah, let me run the code and we'll see. Okay. Now the dot class files will be generated. Okay. Suppose I'm trying to create an object of student. Student obj equal to new student. Okay. Let us assume. Okay. Right. Okay. Now let me run the code. Okay. Run as Java application. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Here also I'm creating. Okay. Let me run again. Run as see. I completed execution. Okay. Let us see how many dot class files we have generated. Okay. No dot class file. It's supposed to create, right? Yeah. 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 That only. Okay, fine. Something is going wrong. Okay. Uh, actually, it is supposed to create dot class files. Actually, so the thing is, once we deleted once we remove the dot class file, we'll get no class def found error. Okay. Right, guys? Is that clear? At least. Okay. Yeah, yeah. If you delete the dot class file, then you're not able to get that runtime environment. Because of that reason, we'll get okay. Because of that reason, we'll get no clash def found error. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Correct. After running. Yes, correct, correct. Correct. No, they will be generated only once. Okay. So second time, if you're rerunning, no, if it is not able to find, it is a no clash def found error. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one. Class cast exception. Sorry, guys, I was not able to recreate some issue with the system. Class cast exception. Anyone? Guys, it is a child of what exception or error or runtime exception. What, guys? Anyone? By seeing the pic only, you tell me, no problem. Huh? Guys, be more specific. It is a child of exception or runtime exception. Yes, correct. Okay, it is a child of runtime exception. Okay. Hence, it is checked or unchecked, guys. Anyone? Correct. Hence, it is unchecked, right? Okay. So, anyone, how to recreate that? How to recreate this exception? Guys, anyone? How to recreate this exception? Harika, Manohar, Shravani, anyone, you can tell me. No, 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 no. Hello? Guys, anyone? Okay, let me tell. See, it will be so when you are trying to typecast parent to a child, okay? Whenever you are trying to typecast parent to a child, then you'll get a class cast exception, okay? See, by name itself only you can say no cast. So it's something related to typecasting. Am I correct? Whenever you are trying to typecast from parent to child, okay, right? Am I correct? Then JVM will automatically rise class cast exception, okay? See, that is not allowed, guys, okay? And from child to parent, you can convert. From parent to child, you are not able to convert, okay? Guys, is that clear? Let me recreate that, okay? Guys, that no class def found error, I will try to explain tomorrow because this laptop is not supporting, okay? I don't know why. It is not creating dot class files actually. It is supposed to create actually. Guys, what is the parent of all the classes in Java? Topmost class. Correct. Yes, Manohar, correct. So, what I told, you are not allowed to typecast parent to a child. Okay. Suppose if there is an object, okay, object class, object or object. Okay. Suppose you have a string. See, guys, the thing here is you are allowed to typecast child to the parent. Okay. See, child to parent means, and guys, how to typecast anyone? I want to typecast my string to the object type. How to do that? Yeah, you can write, okay, this is object. Okay. Right. So this is valid, guys. Okay. So you are trying to convert string to the parent type. That is fine. Okay. But the reverse is not true. Okay. Guys, now we'll try reverse way. Okay. Guys, is that fine? How to typecast from child to parent? Is that fine, guys? Okay. See, this is nothing but typecasting. Okay. So I'm trying to say this string is a child of object, right? Manohar, this string is a child of object. Am I correct? So whenever you're trying to typecast child to the parent, that is fine. But the reverse way is not true. Parent to the child, it doesn't support. Okay, correct. We can't typecast. Yes. Let us try that. Okay. So in that case, we'll get class cast exception. Okay. See, string and O. Okay. Okay, now here you'll get a class cast exception, and it is a child of runtime exception, and it is unchecked. Okay, guys, am I clear? See, you'll see class cast exception. Okay. Yeah. Not able to control this laptop. ఏమైతుంది? Okay. Next one, illegal argument exception. Anyone have idea? Harika, I think at least you might have idea about this. Harika, do you have any idea about illegal argument exception? No, 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 no. That is compilation error, Shravani. So what you are trying to say, if the constructor is taking four arguments and by, in the object call, if you pass three arguments, am I correct? That is simply compilation error, okay? At the compiler itself, it will say, okay, bro, you're doing wrong, Ani. Harika, any idea? See, it is related to multi-threading. Okay, when that topic comes, I'll give some more stress on that. Okay. Okay. So basically, the priorities, for a thread, the priority should be of the range 1 to 10. Okay. If you're exceeding 10, right, it will be illegal argument exception. Okay. And if you pass wrong values, okay, this is totally related to multi-threading. But if someone is asking how to create illegal argument exceptions, tell them. Okay. So if you pass at 12, no, it will be a illegal argument exception. Okay. See, illegal argument exception. Guys, is that clear? Manohar, is that fine? See, the thread priorities range from 1 to 10. And this is totally concept of multi-threading, okay? So, but if you are exceeding, and if you give some other number, okay, which is not valid, then it will give you illegal argument exception, okay? అదనమాట విషయం, okay? Thread is a class which will come in multi-threading. I'll tell you at the time, okay? Don't worry, okay? So, this is the way you can recreate illegal argument exception, okay? So, if you pass the wrong values, so it won't print anything. I'll tell you at multi-threading level, okay? Now you won't get that, okay? But you need to understand how the thread execution, everything you need to thread life cycle and everything you need to aware, okay? Then only you'll come to know, okay? Without that, I can't directly tell that, okay? If you pass wrong values, okay, it will give illegal argument exception, okay? అంతే. Huh? ఏంటి స్టేట్మెంట్? Yeah, definitely, definitely, Armanj. Sure, sure. Okay. Yeah. The next one is number format exception. Does anyone how to create this number format exception? And illegal argument exception is the child of runtime exception and it is unchecked. Okay. Guys, anyone how to create this number format exception? Correct, correct, exactly correct. Shravani, that's correct. See, basically, in the core Java, we have some mechanism to convert a number in the form of string to int. Okay. Suppose int I equal to integer dot parse int. See, so this 10 will be converted to integer, right? Because the 10 is form of the string. But instead of 10, if you pass some wrong values, okay, something like, 10, okay, by some, okay, then it will be a number format exception. See, if it is expecting a number in the form of string, but you are giving some other string instead of number, then it will throw you number format exception. Guys, is that clear? Manohar, no, in this context only, see, by name itself only, you can, uh, you know, aware. See, number format, okay, instead of number, if you are passing some other string, then it will give you that one, okay? Is that fine? And it is a child of runtime exception, okay? And it is unchecked, okay? See, guys, is that clear? You pass. Adana Vishnu, okay? And the last one, illegal state exception. Guys, this is specific to the thread multi-threading. At the time, I can tell you, okay? Because see, basically, if you are trying to, so once the thread is created, if you are trying to start the thread two times, see, the thread will be started only once, okay? But you're not allowed to start two times. Suppose if you're trying to call the thread multiple times, it will give you illegal state exception, okay? Guys, is that clear? It is not allowed, when thread is created, it is not allowed to call, sorry, not to call, to start, okay? To start thread multiple times, okay? Adana, okay? Hari. So these are the day to day our exceptions will come. Okay, see, this exception is not related to one topic. Okay, it is not specific to one topic. Okay, so if you open file, you will see some file chapter. Okay, file have exceptions, and if you see multi-threading, if you open multi-threading, there also you get some exceptions. So this exception topic will integrate with all the topics. Okay, right? Okay, that's the end of today's class. Okay, tomorrow we'll see some Yeah, Manohar, I think if I explain now also, uh, I think you may not get that. No, Manohar. No, Manohar. Just see. If you create a thread and if you start key dot start, right? Two times. So you're allowed to call start method only once. So if you're trying to call this method two times, then you will get illegal state exception. Okay? Got it right? See this thread, everything I'll tell you, but once the thread is created, it should be started only once. It is not able to start multiple times. That's what I'm trying. Okay? Okay, let us finish.